Hey, collectors and numismatics enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel today. We're diving into one of Australia's most sought coins, the 50-cent piece from 1971. May have seen it floating around your change jar. But what if I told you that in mint condition, this coin can fetch a staggering price that would make any coin collector's heart race? That's right, this small, unassuming piece of Australian history is one of the most expensive 50-cent coins in the world, especially if it's in pristine, uncirculated condition. So, what makes the 1971 50-cent coin so valuable? Well, to understand its rarity, we first need to look at its history and the factors that contribute to its high value today. Back in 1966, Australia changed its currency system, moving from pounds, shillings, and pence to the decimal system. That's when the iconic 50-cent coin was introduced, featuring an intricate design with the Australian coat of arms, a kangaroo, and an emu. But here's where it gets interesting. In 1971, Australia struck a special series of 50-cent coins with a distinct 12-sided design. These coins were minted in high numbers, but over the years, most of them became worn down, circulated heavily, and lost their value as pristine, mint condition specimens. So, finding one that is truly uncirculated is a rarity, and it's this scarcity that drives the price sky high. A coin in mint condition means that it has never been used in circulation, maintaining its original shine and detail, just as it came out of the mint. This condition is crucial for any collector. Coins that are in mint state have no visible signs of wear or damage. They are perfect and often come with a certification from a reputable grading service that verifies their authenticity and condition. Now, here's where the price tag gets jaw-dropping. While regular 197150 CENT coins can go for just a few dollars, those in uncirculated condition can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars at auction. In fact, the record sale for a mint condition 1971 50-cent coin is reported to have gone for over $50,000 AUD, an extraordinary amount for such a small piece of currency. That's more than many people earn in an entire year. But why is the 1971 50-cent coin so valuable? Beyond its mint condition, it's the coin's historical significance and rarity that make it so appealing to collectors. The 50-cent coin is a symbol of Australia's transition into the modern decimal currency system. Plus, in terms of design, it's one of the last coins to feature such a complex 12-sided shape before more traditional round coins came into circulation. Furthermore, as time passes, more and more of these coins are lost, damaged, or simply forgotten about, making the ones that remain in perfect condition that much more precious. Collectors know this, which creates a constant demand for these elusive, rare coins. If you've got one of these coins stashed away in your collection or tucked away in an old coin jar, it might be time to take a closer look. But remember, for a 1971 50-cent coin to reach these astronomical prices, it has to meet very specific criteria. First off, it must be in mint condition, with no signs of wear. And second, it should be graded and authenticated by a trusted service like the Australian Coin Grading Service or the New Guarantee Corporation to ensure its value is accurately assessed. For those of you who are new to coin collecting or interested in diving deeper into the world of the 1971 50-cent coin serves as a perfect example of why condition matters. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, understanding the significance of coin condition can help you make wise investment choices in the future. So, if you come across one of these coins, take a moment to check its condition. Who knows, you might just have a small fortune hidden away in your pocket. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video about rare and valuable coins from around the world. See you next time.